Assalamu alaikum again. This is part 2 of chapter 3. In the first part, we already mentioned that encryption could be categorized based on number of key that we are using and the type of key that we are using also. So we can say that could be asymmetric or symmetric. And we said that the symmetric encryption is have one key for encryption and decryption, and the symmetric key have for asymmetric have public and private key, and for symmetric encryption we just have one key for encryption and decryption. So in general, in the symmetric, the same key will be for encryption and decryption. For asymmetric encryption, the first key is not equal for the second key. So from different perspective, we can also classify the encryption algorithm based on the way they are working, the mechanism. So we can say that there is some mechanism or technique called substitution, there is some technique called transposition, and there is some algorithm following both techniques. So in the substitution, actually there is replacing one or more character with other letter. So as an example, I could replace A with D. So if I have a word like Ali, so the A will become D, and the L will become another letter, and like as an example, I can say then I have unreadable text, which is D K L, and I replace it. And the second one, it's rearrange the text. It could be like the word itself, Ali, could rearrange to become like I-A-L, and that will be based on key. So it will not be randomly. It should not be randomly. Why? Because actually, if you encrypt it in this way, you need to decrypt it later on to return back the original text. So there should be fixed pattern, fixed key that help you to encrypt and decrypt. In the substitution technique, we have different type of algorithm. Caesar algorithm is one of the basic algorithm that start by Caesar cipher. This algorithm actually already modified and improved, updated. Then there is another algorithm, it's called monoalphabetic cipher. It's based on Caesar, and we have also Vigenère cipher. It's also one of the old algorithms that followed before by military sectors to send message for their army in different places. So this message should be unreadable for the enemy. So as the name of the algorithm by his name, Jesus Caesar, the idea here to shift each letter with three places. So in a clear way, that means the A letter, it's shifted once, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So that means the A will convert to D. If I also shift the D, the A 3, as I said, so 1, 2, 3, as I said, the B also should shift it 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the A is become D, the B become E, and the letter will actually change, shifted 3. So any word, like if you said like go, so the G 1, 2, 3, it become J, and the O is 1, 2, 3, it become R. So this word is become unreadable. So this is the plain text, and this is the ciphertext, and here the key was equal to 3. So this is the basic algorithm that was developed by Caesar Faisal, and it's called Caesar cipher. So mainly it's following the alphabetic. So we have 26 letters in alphabetic. So actually the key should be from 1 until 26 mostly. Now if someone say to you, that means what if the key is 28 and the alphabetic is 26? So it's easily, I can say that if I start the alphabetic, here they start from 0, so it's end with 25. So if I say 28, that means after 25 here, I should return to say this is 26, 27, and 28. So that means the 28 will go again from the beginning. I mean, you could start from 1 until 26, and then after that go 27, 28. It's based at the code that you want to deploy. This is the algorithm that actually to break the Caesar algorithm. Now, as we said that the main point here is Caesar, the original algorithm for Caesar, the key is equal 3. So in general here, after that they modify the version of iCaesar. They make the key like equal to I. That means the key could be 4, 5, 6, any number between 1 and 26. So that when they develop algorithm to break the modified spacer, they put the key equal 1 and it's increasing. They want to try the key 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after they would try to transform all the letters the first time by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, until they find the suitable key and the message become a readable message. There is monoalphabetic cipher. This is the third type, which is the same idea, which is following Caesar Faisal, but here they make their own map. This is the key. This is the key. So it's like the two person, they can make a fixed map and they are following. So in general, when you have some blank text, like if, the word if, I will go to the map and find where is the I. The I is replaced with W. Where is the F? The F is replaced with I. So it will be WI, and etc. So I will continue transform all the letter in the blank text based on the key or based on